Okay, what we're doing here is demonstrating one of the marketing agents that we have is going to pull weekly metrics for one of my clients. And then from those metrics and looking at the ads, it's going to generate iterations of ad copy, different types of images that we can use and plug right in. This entire task would have taken a human 3-4 days to actually go through between analyzing the metrics, creating this entire report that we can then send to the client and use internally, then having a graphic designer create these images. Would have taken another 3 or 4 days, where now in a matter of minutes, we have this really good report that breaks things down at the campaign level, the entire account level. And now we have these images that we can plug in that are on brand, even bringing in their logo, all AI generated. And then here's another client, same thing, report that gives us a snapshot, gives us all the metrics we would need, week over week wins, creative fatigue analysis. Again, saving an hour of just analysis time. Gives us new ad copy variations that we can use based upon winners that are going right now, then generated us these images that again are on brand, uses actual people from the website, the actual founder, that we can plug in right away and save days.